I don't wanna breathe in, 'cause then I'll have to breathe out. I don't wanna slow down, 'cause I just might spin out. I don't wanna look up with these tears falling down, and I don't wanna stand up to just fall back to the ground. I don't need all the answers, I don't need all this pain. I don't need to be told that I'll find myself again. I don't need to be happy, I just need to be free. I just need to silence all these voices haunting me. There's a blade, it's piercing through the heart of me. There's a blade, I put it there myself. There's the blade, it's draining all the life from me. But I don't wanna take it out, I don't wanna take it out, I don't wanna take it out. Maybe it's holding me together, maybe it's tearing me apart. Maybe I'm begging for forgiveness, maybe I've fallen far too far. And I know these thoughts are killing me, and I don't really care. I will wrap my hands around my neck, then fight for it. There's the blade, it's piercing through the heart of me. There's the blade, I put it there myself. There's the blade, it's draining all the life from me. But I don't wanna take it out, I don't wanna take it out, I don't wanna take it out. I slip into the river, I'm drifting away, I am drifting away. I reach for the sun as I sink in the tow. I am the devil, I know, yes I know. There's the blade, it's piercing through the heart of me. There's the blade, I put it there myself. There's the blade, it's draining all the life from me. But I don't wanna take it out, I don't wanna take it out, I don't wanna take it out. I don't wanna take it out, I don't wanna take it out, I don't wanna take it out. I don't wanna take it out, don't wanna take it out. No, I don't wanna take it out, don't wanna take it.